Hi friends, I'm Jewel. Welcome back to my channel, Style Lady Forever. Today I'm going to show you how I use my gua sha. I got it from Sephora. This is freaking amazing. It's great for lymphatic drainage. It helps with diminish the wrinkles, the double chin, brings blood flow. You can use it morning and night. I can't live without this. It's wonderful. Stay tuned and watch how I use it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Be beautiful.